Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 67 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're kicking off the warmer weather with a drink I call the Pineapple Express. Don't let those tropical ingredients fool you. This is not your usual tiki drink. Instead, it is a spirit-forward sipper. We're going to start out with our base spirit tonight. I've selected the Knob Creek Single Barrel. That is a 120 proof offering, and it's going to really be a powerhouse that we need to make this have some charred goodness and power behind it from the bourbon, and bring in some really lovely oak and dark chocolate profile notes with it. That's going to be amazing. And this is going to provide a massive foundation to keep all of our other tropical vibes in check. Now, we will be using 2 full ounces of the Knob Creek Single Barrel, and we will put that right into our mixing glass. Next, we got a modifier tonight. Our syrup is actually the Toasted Pineapple Syrup. Picked this up at BourbonCon this year from Toasted Simple, and it is just amazing. It's got these lovely pineapple notes and of course this little back hint of jalapeno as well. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of this so that we can really lean in on some of those pineapple flavors as well as the toasted notes that this syrup brings. We're using 2 spice components tonight. The first one is ginger bitters, and we're going to go with 3 basic dashes of the ginger bitters. That brings a real nice peppery snap to this drink. Now, don't be afraid, but I'm going to use a very light touch of the habanero bitters just to express a little bit of heat up to the front. All right, that should be great. Give it a quick stir. I will be adding ice and then stirring this for about 20-25 seconds to get a little bit of dilution and allow these ingredients to really incorporate. I will fast forward for you and be right back. That is nicely chilled. I am going to strain this into our rocks glass over a large cube of ice. Just like that. And we're also going to garnish with 2 cubes of pineapple. I would have loved to have alternated with some jalapeno, but believe it or not, my store was out of jalapeno this week. Go figure. So pineapple it is, and that's going to bring a lovely tropical vibe to this cocktail. I'm smelling the pineapple, of course. I've got this toasty kind of char coming forward that I'm really enjoying. That's from both the Toasted Pineapple Syrup as well as the Knob Creek. I am ready to taste this and see how it is. Cheers to the Pineapple Express. This has got so much going on. You really are getting the pineapple flavors, and then it's just warming dark notes and char, like oak notes coming forward. And then as it hits the back, as it's going down your throat, a light warmth is forming, and that's from all 3 of these ingredients here, between the toasted with the jalapeno in the syrup, as well as the ginger, which brings the pepper notes, which is a little bit popping as it's going down, and that really light touch of the habanero bitters gives us this little zing. And it's not lasting long. It wasn't really on my tongue at all. It's mostly the warmth in the finish that's giving you some pop and pizzazz. It's a really fun warm weather cocktail that I think you're going to enjoy. Now join us next week for episode 68, where we're going to do the Golden Jubilee. And it's actually a special cocktail because next Thursday is my birthday. We're going to find something in this room that's kind of special that you normally would not put into a cocktail. And that's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be an old-fashioned with a luxury experience to it. So for tonight, as always, I do ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a fabulous Thirsty Thursday, and enjoy the kick of the Pineapple Express. Cheers.